Easy Math. Welcome to Easy Math Point YouTube channel. Today we are learned it the two-digit multiply first the multiply method. So let's go. First of all, example of the first two-digit multiply 4 2 multiply 8, and last two-digit multiply 1 2 multiply 2, and now 2 4 multiply 8 and 2 1 multiply 2, together we have 10, and 0 put here, and 1 at 8. So we have get it answer 902. Next example, first two-digit multiply 8 3 multiply 24, and last two-digit multiply 1 1 multiply 1, and now 1 multiply 8 and 3 multiply 1, and together we have 11, and 1 put here, and 1 at 24. Now we have 25 1 1 and 2511. And now next example, first two-digit multiply 5 and 5 multiply 1 5, and last two-digit multiply 1 1 multiply 1, and 5 1 multiply 5, and 1 1 multiply 1, and together we have 6, and 6 put here, and that is the answer 561. So let's go next example. First two-digit multiply 5 and 1 multiply 5, and last two-digit multiply 2 and 2 multiply 4, and now 5 2 multiply 10, and now 1 2 multiply 2, and together we have 12, and 2 put here, and 1 at 5. Now we have 6 2 4, and now get a answer 624. That is answer. So we can solve it. This is the matrix and first matrix. So next video coming soon, and please obviously subscribe my YouTube channel, and like, comment and share. Thank you.